think Goldie can do it? Say, you can do it, Goldie! Okay, go on, Goldie. Show us what you got. Goldie's searching, scanning through each one. And she found it! A round of applause for our psychic bird, Goldie. Showing you our parrots. This time, we are going to introduce to you our different types of cockatoos here at Cebu Ocean Park. Currently, there are 21 recognized species of cockatoos worldwide. Here at Cebu Ocean Park, we have 4. We have Tweety, our silver-crested cockatoo; Nigel, our umbrella cockatoo; Snow, our malignant cockatoo; and Fergus, our Robin's cockatoo. Now again, a gentle reminder to everyone, since we will be having another close interaction with their birds, please do not try to touch or reach their feathers. They are easily frightened and could bite, so parents and guardians, please guide your children accordingly. Thank you. Now, without further ado, let us call in Tweety, Nigel, Snow, and Fergus. So as you can see, these birds are recognizable by their crests and curved bills. So their crest is that group of feathers at the top of their head, and they use it for communication and expression of mood, so whether they're happy, excited, threatened, or when invading. So first up, going to the center of the arm is Tweety. So Tweety is our silver-crested cockatoo. Now they are called as such because of their silver yellow crest. So as you can see, Tweety has a silver yellow crest. Now these birds are primarily white with a yellowish-colored underside wings. These birds also prefer their habitats along the edges of tropical and subtropical rainforests. So sa mga init na lugar na mabuhat-buhat, just like here in the Philippines. Tweety's scientific name is Kakatuwa galarita. Now up next on your right with Trainer Vince, that is Nigel. So Nigel is our umbrella cockatoo. They are also known as white cockatoos or the bright white crested cockatoos. Now these birds can be distinguished from the other white cockatoos by their woolly white crest that raises like an umbrella. So as you can see, Nigel's crest looks like an umbrella. Nigel's scientific name is Kakatuwa uba. Now up next, right along the white cockatoos. So Moluccan cockatoos are the largest. Goffin's cockatoos are the smallest among the white cockatoos. And that is it for our 4 types of cockatoos here at Cebu Ocean Park. We have Tweety, our silver-crested cockatoo; Nigel, our umbrella cockatoo; Snow, our Moluccan cockatoo; and Fergus, our Goffin's cockatoo.